Namaste. Today we will understand the importance of insurance. Why insurance? Friends, insurance, as we all know, it's a contract or an agreement between an insurance company and an individual to protect the financial loss which may occur due to unexpected uncertainties. Insurance company agrees to compensate the financial loss to the value you have insured. At the same time, individual has to pay the amount or money to the insurance company from time to time, that is called premium. So this is a contract. How this insurance plays a major role in an individual's life. Come, let's understand. I am Guru Lingaya. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you are new to this channel. Also comment in the comment box what are the topics you wanted to know. It will be uploaded in future. And also click on the bell icon to get a notification for the future videos so that you can watch immediately. Yes, how the insurance plays major role in an individual's life. Friends, insurance has two types. One is life insurance, second one is general insurance. Life insurance is the insurance which is to be covered for the living things. General insurance is the insurance is taken to cover the non-living things which is being generated by the living person. Here, for example, life insurance is taken on the human life. General insurance is taken on vehicle or assets, property. So these two are the basic difference or two types. How the insurance plays a major role. First thing is, let's assume a person becomes a sick and he goes to hospital. Of course, he has to pay bill to the hospital. If it is a normal checkup, small amount will be spent. If there is an admission, higher amount. If there is an operation or surgery to be done, very huge amount will be as an hospital bill. Who has to pay this bill? Patient or maybe a relatives of the patient. If the provision is not made or if the sufficient savings are not there, what we have to do? We have to sell something or borrow from somebody to repay the bill. Again, let's imagine if it is borrowed, what will happen? If we sell something, what will happen? Instead of that, if you plan in before only, if you have an insurance to protect your health expenses, if you have a health insurance, the health insurance policy will take care of your hospital expenditures during admissions or operation, anything. It covers your dependents also. So this is health insurance. The insurance protects the health expenditures. Second thing is, if the loan is taken, maybe a home loan or any other loans, usually constructing a dream house, it's very rare to have a sufficient savings. Without a loan, constructing a house is very difficult now. Everybody would like to have a housing loan, and it's a shortcut way to create a villa or maybe a house or dream house with the assumption that with earnings we can repay this loan in future. Instead of paying a rent, having a home with a loan is a better suggestion. So most of all will think in that. But at the same time, suggestion comes whether you have a loan or not, or whether you have a property or not, better to protect it with insurance. Because once the loan is taken, until the loan is repaid fully, the bank or the company which has given a loan, the property is being mortgaged. In case of any uncertainty to the breadwinner, loan EMIs has to repay by the dependents. Of course, if they have additional income, well and good. If not, who has to pay the EMI? Who has to repay the housing loan which is being taken by the breadwinner? Let's imagine. Right? Suppose while taking a loan, if liability insurance is also taken to protect the uncertainty of a breadwinner, the loan portion which is left with it will be repaid by the liability policy. Hope you understood. If you have taken a liability insurance, the remaining loan will be paid by the liability insurance. So this is a second benefit. So most of all the time, property is covered through the property insurance. In case of any damage to the property due to natural disaster, even at that time, the loan is repaid and the property is protected. This is additional benefit. Next, very basic thing today to have a vehicle. That is minimum a car. Let's assume we have taken a car also. Even that car also comes with a EMI option. While using a car, chances of having a damage to the car is more. If car gets damaged, it has to be repaired. To repay that repair cost, who has to pay? Breadwinner or maybe a car owner. Usually both are same. Let's assume while using a vehicle or a car, it's met with an accident and the car gets damaged, as well as the opposite instrument also got damaged. Let's imagine the situation. Both the instruments are damaged. That means own car or maybe a third party instrument or maybe a car or anything, etc. Two-wheeler, anything. Okay, other bike has damaged. First of all, we have to go for a repair of our own car. Its expenditure has to be taken care. In addition to that, opposite car or maybe third party can claim the damage cost. Who has to repay that? Imagine. Suppose if you have a vehicle insurance, this vehicle insurance will repay the costs or maybe expenditures incurred to repair the own vehicle damage as well as third party damage also. So your car expenditure is taken care. In addition to this, let's imagine there is a breadwinner in a family and whole family is dependent on his earnings. Not only the whole family, everything in a life, it is dependent on one content, that is the variable income. As long as the earning is there, everything is fine. Suddenly, if the income stops due to uncertainty, let's imagine the condition of the family when all these things already equipped, all these loans are already there, car loan, vehicle loan, housing loan, as well as the family expenditures. When the breadwinner meets with an uncertainty, what will happen? Who will take care of these expenditures? Again, the answer is insurance. That is life insurance. If you have a proper insurance to the adequate value, all your expenditures being taken care by the only one tool, that is insurance. Insurance is the very easiest way to protect your earnings, your wealth, your financial goals, as well as if nothing happens, if there is a loss of income due to retirement, when you are retired, your retirement has to be taken care. Even during that time, this life insurance will comes to your help. So this is the importance of insurance, which plays a very crucial role or very important role in every individual's life. So please check with your financial advisor with a proper financial planning to protect all your future. Financial loss may incur due to uncertainty. So transfer your responsibility by taking in proper insurance, covering yourself adequately, by forethinking about the future expenditures or maybe in financial goals which needs to be covered without any hurdles. Have a insurance today. Please contact your advisor to cover all this. I hope this video is useful to you. If it is useful, kindly subscribe my channel, click on the like button. If not, also share to more people. Comment in the comment box